So here's a little deck in Crittenden, and it needs some help big time. It's got tons of organic growth on it. It's not super healthy right at this minute. All of its fasteners are exposed. You see that? You see how that nail head's rusting down in there? That's bad. That's a bad deal. They need to get this covered immediately. Cleaned and covered, or this bad boy is going to be gone. Everybody asks me all the time, like, why do you use braces when you restore decks? You're just supposed to clean them and coat them. And it's like, this is why. This is why I put braces. A simple brace here, right here, would have prevented this from ever pulling away. That would have never pulled away like that. And so you see why I use them, because simple braces, they prevent you from having future maintenance like that. See, now they got to pay somebody to come out here and fix that up, right? And all these are moving. Look, they're all starting to move and separate. This one's popped out. This one's separated. Simple braces. Throw some braces on there. When you restore that deck, whoever restores it, when they clamp those back together, what I do is I like to take I'll take Simpson Strong ties, straps, and I'll actually custom bend them to meet that angle. I'll take a piece of block or a piece of wood or something, and I'll bend them to where it meets that angle like that, and I'll stick them in there and never move again. Done. It's over. And it prevents that, you know. But they need help with that little deck. That deck needs help. Kong could save that deck. I don't have any doubts about it.